Hello, my dear students. This is Mohammad Abdul Qadir, lecturer in English, Chuchuradi College, Sarasti, Chatpur. How are you, my dear students? I hope you are well by the grace of God. I am also well. My dear students, in the last class, I taught Unit 2, Lesson 2 of 1. That means on the first communication satellite and the moon landing from first paper. Dear students, this class is especially for first year students. Okay, my dear students, I hope you have read the passage, whatever I have taught you. Okay, I have designed this class on the passage of first paper. I mean on the first passage, you know there are three passages. Okay, there are three passages come in the question item. First one is first passage. I mean, you know, there are two types of questions here in the first passage. One is choose the best answer, another is question answering. I mean question number B of 1. B of 1. That is, today's class is on how to answer questions from Unit 2, Lesson 2 of 1. Yes, my dear students, I've written some questions on the whiteboard and I'll discuss these questions one by one, how to answer from the passage given in the question paper. So, I like to advise you to read the first passage thoroughly and having the meaning of it. If you want to understand the passage, you have to know the meaning. So you should clear the unknown word. I think you have also done this. Otherwise, you cannot understand the passage and similarly, you cannot answer the questions. Okay, well, I would like to now discuss first question. What shaped the future of communication? You know, our topic is on the first communication satellite. Satellite makes our life easy, and so I think you have this. You have the name of satellite Telestar while reading the passage. The Telestar communication. Telestar communication that was born on 10 July 1962. That means Telestar communication when Telestar communication added in our satellite communication, that time our future of communication shaped. That means What shaped the future of communication? Telestar shaped the future of communication after its birth. After its birth. You can answer. What shaped the future of communication? The answer will be telestar communication shaped the future of communication after its birth on 10th July 1962. Another question is, how did the long series dream of human beings turn into reality? That means, in this passage, the human being dreamed to go to outer space, like Moon, and then Mars, and then Mars. The long series dream, how turn into reality? The question is, second one is, how the long series dream, how did the long series dream of human beings turn into reality? In the passage, you have read, I think, when Neil Armstrong first stepped onto the moon, the scientist had the hope to explore the space. That was their long series dream. I mean, while Neil Armstrong stepped onto the moon, from that, the scientists of the world believed that they could discover discover their long series dream. They could discover they could go to Mars or outer space, and by the walking of the Neil Armstrong on the moon, they could have their hope to send the another persons into the Mars. Another question is, satellite has made communication a lot easier. Explain in brief. Satellite communication, yes, my dear students. In the passage, satellite communication has opened the door of making our communication easier through GPS, TV, radio, weather tracking, military surveillance, space exploration, and global communication. Through this, now our communication system is more faster than the beginning of the communication system for adding the satellite in this regard. Another question is, Apollo 11's success led to massive scientific achievement. Give reasons behind it. Yes, my dear students. Apollo 11's success led to massive scientific achievement. Give reasons behind it. There, we should show some reasons here. When Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin went to the moon by Apollo 11 and made their mission successful. That times scientists believe that yes, this is the huge achievement in terms of the exploration of the outer space, and we could materialize the hope into reality, and from that time scientists were there working about to send the people to the outer space like Mars, and even still they are working for exploring the more things about it. Who was the first human to fulfill man's long cherished dream? Yes, it is somewhat related to first question. This question is somewhat related to first question. Who was the first human to fulfill man's long cherished dream? Neil Armstrong was the first human to fulfill man's long cherished dream. You know, these are the questions, and whatever I have discussed here, one by one question, I think you have understood, and you will read it again and again, and also practice. Will practice more questions. Likewise, at your home. Thank you, my dear students. Today is here.